I'll do that all day.
No, please don't. Please don't.
What do you think?
No, I don't think it's a good idea. Nora and Boomer don't think it is. Boomer, like, in the house? Is she laying, like, out the window?
She's out the window and she's asleep with her eyes open.
Boomer's a he, by the way.
It always creeps out Sarah.
Yes, I know. She thinks he's dead. I am hurting. I don't know if we should call and let the doctor know just how much I'm hurting. Or if we just kind of, you know, go through it. She said there was going to be discomfort.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I don't know if this is considered discomfort or pain. So, I can usually handle a lot of pain. But this is bad. I can't even stand, like, straight up to go to the bathroom. It hurts so bad. Well, not to go, but to walk to the bathroom.
Do you want me to send an email? I can always send an email.
Well, today's only Thursday. Let's give it another day.
Well, I don't want to get into the weekend because then we won't be able to see the doctor. So, you know, email's kind of passive-aggressive. If they think it's important, they'll call you.
Well, the bleeding has stopped.
Okay.
So that was my main concern.
Mm-hmm. Excuse you.
Just let's wait. I think it'll go away. I think it's just because they scraped the wall.
Yeah.
And that's why it's so painful.
Okay.
So, we'll see. But anyway,
it's turned into a hot day. Yesterday was very hot, and I put away Val's air conditioner, and now I had to bring it back out. So I turned it off so we can videotape. So I'm sure she's making her unhappy.
It's okay. I'll be okay. I'm under. I know it's weird. I'm under my weighted blanket because the weight does feel good on my stomach. If that sounds weird.
No.
But like when she walks on it, it hurts. So.
It's like poking you, though.
Yeah. So I got my lighter of my heavy blankets out and on my stomach right now. So we'll see. I'm probably going to end up taking naps today. I need to post on Scentsy. I need to start a Scentsy party for Sarah. I need to do lots of things, and I'm just tired.
I'm sorry. Just take it easy today.
I've been taking it easy. I'm tired of taking it easy. I want to get out of bed. I want to do stuff.
I know.
Tired of this.
Can come to the dump with me.
You think riding over bouncy roads is a good idea?
Help me unload.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
I have my own dump runs to do.
I know. Lee pointed that out.
Yes. Alright, guys. We'll check back in with you a little later. Enjoy the day with Kevin.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, they do every day. I'm so enjoyable.
Yes, you are.
So today I'm doing a dump run. I really don't have a lot to go. I'll probably get just one run today. I just got some beat up old furniture that's been sitting in my leaky garage, so it's wet and moldy and such things. This one we destroyed last winter trying to salt the driveways. So that goes. I gotta find some place for this 55-gallon drum. It's probably going to the apartments to hold salt, so that's not going, but a lot of crappy stuff that I just been throwing in here to get out of the way. So it's got to go. It's trash. This, I have to find a place for it. This is the mowing deck for my snow plow slash riding mower. The other thing that I need to do before winter hits, gotta move my pellet stove into the basement, which will not fit through that door under any circumstances. And I've got a great little it's a gurney from a mortuary, and there's a coffin sitting on top. So, and of course you can't see it, there's no light, but I got a coffin. This actually belongs to Sarah. That needs to go into the basement as well, so it doesn't get damaged in the snow and rain anymore. And that means knocking this wall down. So that's gonna happen to this this fall. This wall is coming down. Now, what I'm replacing it with is a question. I want to replace it with a garage door so that I can open it up and eventually knock this garage down and then be able to just drive my truck up into the basement. But that's not going to happen anytime soon. So if I knock this entire wall down, I have some 2x wood over here that I can cut down into whatever I need it to. It's going to be 2x4 because I have insulation for 2x4. And put a large enough door in here that I can get stuff in and out. Largest I've been able to find is a 36-inch, which is fine. It's 3 feet. All this stuff will be able to come in and out of here that way. But today, it's just a dump. Alright, so I've loaded the truck. I don't know if you can see, it's mostly old beat up furniture and just junk that's been accumulating. So I'm going to take this to the dump, and then I'm going to go to the store and come home and do some other stuff. Very busy here. I'm assuming it's because of the COVID thing. Because there's not a lot of stuff here, and everybody's kind of standing around waiting for something to happen, and they aren't weighing. They're just telling us to go in. So I think that's all I need to do for now. I'm sure there's stuff at the apartments I need to do as well. That'll be for another day.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Sorry, I'm so tired. I've been dozing on and off all day. And I'm trying to post on my Facebook or respond to a comment, and I think it took me like 20 minutes to respond because I kept dozing off, and when I reread what I wrote, had nothing to do with what the comment was. So That's when I know it's time to put everything down and take a nap.
That's right.
So I'm exhausted. Poor China's got something wrong with her ears. She keeps shaking her head. So, what'd you do today, baby?
I went on a dump run.
You went on a dump run?
I did. Cleaned up most of the garage. Getting ready to take down that wall.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like fun.
Oh yeah.
Is that a this weekend project?
Saturday I need to deal with the driveway over at the apartments. So.
Well, let Sarah know in advance so she doesn't make plans. So. But I'm not going to have her howl. Because I am too sleepy.
Well, she looks too sleepy too.
Yeah. I think we need to just go to sleep.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
Hugs. Kisses. Peace out. See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.